There is a very simple way you can make a responsive photo gallery using CSS with a simple HTML structure. In this example, you won't have to use different divs for rows and columns. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Their Shoe Codes. If you're new to programming, you've come to the right place. I post beginner-friendly tutorials and projects for front-end developers, as well as tips to learn coding on your own. But back to the gallery, I like to use Visual Studio Code to develop my projects. I'm gonna start opening my HTML file. The exclamation point is a shortcut to get the standard HTML content right away, in case you don't know. Don't forget to link your CSS file first to see all of the changes that we're gonna make. Now, we're gonna create a section with a gallery class, and inside I'm gonna put a div. Inside this div, you're gonna add all of the pictures that you want in your gallery. So I added 9 image tags. All of my images are in an image folder right here on VS Code. And this is how our page is looking so far. This is not exactly what we want. So let's go back to the CSS file and create a responsive photo gallery. So first, I'm gonna select the gallery class that's in our section tag that we created before and add a margin top. Let's say 2 rem. Now select all the div inside the gallery class, in this case the only one we have. And I want a 3-column layout in my gallery. You can see how we have now 3 images side by side in each row. We're gonna add a gap between the columns and a padding top also of 1.25 rem. This is how it's looking so far. We need to change how the images are displayed on each column. So now we're gonna adjust the images. Display is gonna be block, and to ensure the image takes up 100% of the width of its container with 100%. We can see it's already starting to look good. And margin bottom of 1.25, matching the top padding we set it before. Very simple. It does look good right now. But now if you notice, no matter how much I change the size of my web browser page, the columns are always 3. And to make it responsive, it's pretty easy too. We're gonna go back to our CSS file and add 2 media queries, adjusting the number of columns and nothing else. Now, when I change the width of my browser, the columns adjust with it. Let me copy this one and change the width and remove a column. And here we have a simple yet responsive photo gallery. If you need, adjust all of the measurements according to your preferences so your project looks good. If this tutorial was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and maybe write a comment down here if you're comfortable with it. In the next video, I'll be bringing an easy project using Python, so if you're interested in that, make sure to turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around.